In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop new clients from booking on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. Fresha is a powerful tool for businesses in the beauty and wellness industry, providing an outlet to manage bookings, sales, client relationships, and more, all in one platform. Sometimes, however, you may find the need to restrict new clients from booking services through Fresha. Whether it's because you're at full capacity, taking a break, or simply want to vet new clients differently, this tutorial will guide you through the process of preventing new bookings while maintaining your existing client base and operations. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins at the Fresha website, specifically tailored for business users. First, you'll want to navigate to https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This link takes you directly to the section of Fresha designed with businesses in mind, offering you a wealth of options to manage your operations efficiently. Once there, your next step is to log into your business account. Look for the login button, which should be clearly visible on the page. Clicking this will bring you closer to gaining full control over your Fresha settings. Following that, you'll want to ensure you're accessing the business-specific features of Fresha. If prompted, click on For Business to proceed in the right direction. This will ensure you're navigating within the correct segment of Fresha's ecosystem, designed specifically for providers like you. Now, to actually log in, choose to sign in using Google for a quick and secure login process. This option allows you to use your existing Google account credentials, streamlining the sign-in process and ensuring that you're quickly brought to your Fresha business dashboard without having to remember another set of login details. Upon successfully logging in, select your Google account if prompted to do so. This step is usually straightforward, especially if you're already signed into Google in the same browser. Next, you're ready to adjust your booking settings. Navigate to the online booking section of Fresha. This might involve clicking on a direct link to https://partners.fresha.com/fresha/online-booking/locations, or finding the online booking option from your Fresha dashboard. This area is where all the magic happens regarding how clients book your services. Once in the online booking section, your next destination is the marketplace profile. This is essentially your storefront on Fresha. It's what your clients see when they search for your services. You would want to look for and click on Marketplace Profile to proceed. After accessing your Marketplace Profile, it's time to explore further options by selecting Options. This could be represented by a gear icon or directly labeled as Options. This step takes you deeper into customization settings for your profile. The crucial step follows clicking on Unlist Profile. This action will initiate the process to remove your profile from the Fresha marketplace effectively, preventing new clients from discovering and booking your services through the platform. By unlisting your profile, you're taking a significant step towards managing new client bookings according to your preferences. To finalize this process, you must confirm your intention to unlist your profile. A second prompt or button labeled Unlist Profile could appear, serving as a confirmation step to ensure you're certain about this decision. Click on it to confirm, completing the action, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Fresha's settings to stop new clients from booking your services. It's worth noting that even though your profile is unlisted from the Fresha marketplace, your existing clients can still book with you as usual, and you retain full access to all other Fresha functionalities to manage your business effectively. In conclusion, whilst Fresha offers a fantastic platform for managing bookings and growing your client base, there may be times when you need to limit new client bookings. Following the steps outlined today ensures you have the knowledge to adjust these settings effortlessly, giving you greater control over how and when new clients can book your services. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your business with digital tools like Fresha.